Okay, end of the quarter, might be power hour. Boy, they don't want some things on the books, right? Talk about that. It goes from it was fast. The main board. Actually, go to TGH. Friday at the end of the quarter. Coach Dale Pinkert sticks in my mind. You didn't make it now, you're probably not going to make it at all. Don't start anything funky. All right, to end the week, I'm going to start the week in the opposite way, okay? This is what you got to do. This red little YouTube. The two most important things here are the red open an account, put something in action. You got to put real money to work. Professional sailors never learn to sail in calm waters. And then to do that, you'd be part of one of our 65, 6,600 subscribers, watching a couple of videos a day led by Dale Pinkert, Media Power Hour, plans for all the day, high level opinions. The one thing I can guarantee, you never use the word guarantee in finance, guarantee you will never be short of ideas or where to go or what to do. It's you how to execute. Okay, that's what you do. Go throughout all the videos through the week, and then you get the 3 p.m. power hour. Right now, 1 hour left in the quarter, the month, the week. You got it. Okay, a lot of things. There's the board. I didn't even notice these things. Some things that maybe you thought maybe he's trying to find the bottom may not be that big of a deal to some. But here's Caesars. Nobody's gambling anymore. Las Vegas Sands. What happened there? Hotels. All of a sudden, Marriott. I looked at Marriott. It still buy some Hertz though. That's hanging in there for those that took it. Still hanging in. There you go. MLGO. It holds 17. It's going higher. Why do I say that, Mike V? I'll tell you why. 17. This is the number. 1, 2, 3. Gap right here. Like I said yesterday at Power Hour, any short-term calls were weeklies expiring today. No one's stepping up. No one's saying this is it. I'm in the SMHs. Not even what the proverbial wise guys. Nobody's saying, "Oh, SMH is wise guy sweeper." No one's even thinking about it, which may be bullish in your mind, but it's not because the smart guys buy the calls. SQQQ. Now's the time to buy. Now is the time to buy. Even the golds gave it back. Newman punted it. It's bad. The new IPO today. This is what killed it. It's supposed to be 60, 40, priced all the way down. CoreWeave, the GPU. It's actually quite an interesting story about CoreWeave. These guys loaded up on NVIDIA GPUs a while ago, thinking they would be. They did, you know what I mean? That's like they bought cabbage. Oh, that's a little bit too early. Like they bought Pokemon cards and it worked. Poor analogy, but right church, wrong pew. Freedom doesn't work without morals. Morals are self-government. Block society skeptic. I'm not society skeptic. Not society. They want an upgrade. I'm not upgrading. Get out of here. Sorry. What's going on here? Maybe later. Last hour. You're not going to get him up, buddy. Before the open on Monday, anything we got any pitfalls? No. I'll tell you what I did see breaking higher. Some stocks that are taking calls as I'm going through this. Where the real bots come, people gone. I'm here, man. They tell me that the Tesla might be worth the bounce here. This is the one that, oh my God, look at this chart. It's like an EKG. What happened here? Tesla, sorry. Stocks that are taking calls that are actually still holding well, making sense as reality comes in on the Tesla chart. KVUE acting very, very well here. Very well, right sector. Following the Johnny John area. KVUE used to make Tylenol. CRK acting very well. Calls. Uber, they try to hang in as long as possible, still above the 200 day. Could be doing worse. They gave back all the restaurant stocks. Now, like the consumers are finished now. Eat, VFC, AEO tried to hold. It's over there now. Coles probably. Where are the boys at? Anybody here? I hope no one's listening. Restaurant stock. I hope no one's listening. I really do. Maybe you'll listen later, but if you're in the front of the screen, like myself at this point, at the end of the quarter with an hour to go, believe me, you're not celebrating. Probably got some losers. And that's it, baby. We do. I'm bleeding a little. Oof, I shouldn't say that. This bar chart. The market, Kramer says the market might be healthier, and I thought this was a professional site, and they make fun of him. They make fun of Kramer, man. So I know he's all right all the time. All right, this is what matters, though. The close and the end of the quarter. Like I said, you want to get like right now, you want to gamble. It's gambling time. If you bottom line, if you're willing to hold it at the end of the quarter, be willing to open it up at the end of the next quarter. Most actives. All flip. This is what the board looks like. Qs. Planeteer. All reverse ETFs. Maybe an airline. GameStop, duh. Intel, I don't know what that's doing. But the UVXY right near the high. Riven had tried to hang on, gave it all back. A couple of commodity plays, and that's it. Percent gainers. I bet you MGLO. PRTG, that worked well. UVIX, couple of reverse ETFs, gold. That gas ETFs, Corvo, reverse ETFs. Usually you'd like to see like TTD or a CrowdStrike or maybe a handful of oils. It's all reverse protection. And if we really put on things for, like, let's say things that trade 2 million shares a day instead of 200,000, a real query. MLGO. That's not going to do it. Let's do APP, dead cat bounce, gold. Percent losers are, these are percent gainers. Okay, reverse ETFs, reverse Tesla, reverse. That percent losers. What happened here? I got to work on the scanner. Let's go dollar losers on the day. I'm gonna have to show my own scanner now. Lulu, big stocks that actually names instead of reverse. Losers, Lululemon, Coin, a company, FN a company, Root a company, DoorDash is a company, Ralph Lauren. All stocks that are down are public entities. Restoration Hardware, Google, Snowflake. So you're telling they're selling stocks and they're buying protection on any type of ETF they can get. Like I said, the percent gainers, you look at this, you barely recognize anything. So what is there? Eight. Nothing. Barely MLGO, low floater, a couple of golds. See that? That'll tell you right there. The percent losers on the day. Real companies. MSTR, Ralph Lauren, Pony. All right, that's it. Coach says keep an open mind, and it'll keep your account open. I appreciate that.
I'll tell you right there.
This is one of the times, don't see much, I don't see much either, Jeff. Listen, you want, I'll be whatever, an old dude. All right, don't lose, don't lose money. Have a drawdown until the time gets, then you're gonna be trading great to make it back. Just chill out, all right? This is where you gotta be a pro. Like myself. I overdid it a little bit. I'm not gonna do it over a bit anymore. There's nothing wrong with being wrong, there's wrong with staying wrong. Let's watch the VIX, SPYs, 200-day, same theme. Tariffs over the weekend. You saw the earnings, not that much. Go through TG8, scroll up. We gave a lot of good data. CoreWeave was the failed IPO, if you will. Cheers. Mike V. If for anyone catching this later, data posted Sunday night, New York time Eastern, okay? The plan going forward for the week. Movers, upgrade, downgrades, ideas, Wall Street research, sentiment gauges, what peers are talking about, and just